What up, y'all? Every penny counts. I got a Prizerebel video for y'all. Prizerebel cash out. Actually, I'm gonna cash out $5. Just real quickly, just showing you what I do on this site. I'm doing all your surveys. I'm going here, clicking on that, and I'm trying out all of these surveys. All right, now a lot of them they have are right here for 77 cents, but for me personally, I like to look at the other ones first. You know what I'm saying? You see here what they're paying. Look, 13 minutes, $1.26, 9 minutes, $1.99, 5 minutes, 69 cents. So I try to do all of those first. Right now they don't really have a lot, but from time to time they do have a lot. The change is day by day, but at the very least, you always have that 77 there. You can try those. They take no more than 15 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Just answer them truthfully, and just go about banging those out. All right. After I do those, I'm jumping over here to Samp. And that's what I'm doing. Samplicious surveys, 90 cents each. All right. You have the longer ones at $1.10. You can do either one of them. It says up to 50 minutes, but from what I found out is that, a lot of them don't take that long. I found some in here that take, 15 to 20 minutes. But, you always had a daily, the Samplicious daily surveys, 90 cents. These are, usually 10 to 15 minutes. And these, like I said, I've done a couple of them. I think the longest one I've done in this section is probably 30 minutes. You know what I'm saying? But they're easy to do. And they don't take a long time. You know what I'm saying? It just really depends on how fast you are in answering the questions. All right. Going over here to gold surveys. There's some good ones in here as well. You want to check these out. Look at the top, 80 cents. You can do as many of these as available. And the same thing as your surveys. I try to go through and look at these other ones first because the other ones pay more. You know what I'm saying? But they will expire and go out. So I try to do those. You see here, a lot of them are $1.50. You know what I'm saying? Still 10, 15 minutes of time. You know what I'm saying? That's all it is. And you see how many they have. They just have so many they keep refreshing. Lots of them, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So you really got to get on this and try those out. All right. So that's basically my routine on here. Doing your surveys, Samplicious, and gold. Those are the ones that work best for me. But at the same time, all of these are really have some good surveys in here. So I would recommend after you do these three right here, just to kind of go through each one of these survey walls and attempt at least one survey in each one of them. You know what I'm saying? Just to make your balance accumulate faster. That's what works for me. And, I really do believe it'll work for you as well. All right. So I'm going to go over here to cash out my $5. I'm going to go to rewards. And like I said, I'm cash out $5. Going here to PayPal. And they send you to PayPal the same day. I'm going to claim this item. Are you sure you want to claim this prize? Yes. Just that simple. They already have my PayPal information in there and all that kind of good stuff. I'm gonna close this pop-up and bam, I'm out of here. Just that simple, y'all. So that's what it is. I just cashed out $5. It's been a minute since I've cashed out in the site because I kind of fell away from it for a little bit because I had so many other sites going on and a lot of good opportunities. But I'm back on Prizerebel. You got to get back on it too. If you're not on it, sign up with the link in the description right now, so you can get that bonus, so you can really get a jump start in your account. All right. So I just want to show you guys that quick cash out. Again, my routine, just kind of do your surveys, daily gold, Samplicious. Those are three that work best for me. But at the same time, it really depends on what you want to do. But I would still recommend going through each one of these survey walls and attempting at least one survey. All right. So they have lots of different cash outs. Let me show you some of the cash outs real quick. I just do PayPal. But if you don't like PayPal, they have lots of other ones. They got Amazon, a lot of gift cards for different places, different stores. You know what I'm saying? A lot of them are like $5. I think they have Amazon here that starts at like $2, I believe. If I go here to gift cards, there's $1 to $5 rewards. Yeah, they have some that start at $2, like Amazon and Apple iTunes. So basically a $2 minimum on this site. A lot of people want you to think it's $5, but it's really $2. They even have $3, Dunkin' Donuts if you want to get that. But, overall, it's a very, very popular site. A lot of people are using it. If you're not, definitely, like I said, sign up today and start making money with it. And, just grind out. My routine works for me. It work for you well if you just really put in the work. It's all about how much work you want to put into it. You know what I'm saying? So that's what it's about. They give you a bonus here. If I get 141 points, I did one this morning. I did a survey this morning, actually. So I only got 126, but if I get 141, they'll give me 6 cents bonus. You know what I'm saying? It's not bad. So overall, very good site. Like I said, it's very popular, but you know, it pays out very well. It pays out the same day. You don't have to wait, you know, days for your payment. And you know, overall, I'm gonna continue to use it, and I recommend that you use it as well. All right. So that's it for this video. Remember to sign up with the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, comment, all that good stuff, because I'm constantly bringing you guys new content. You know, cash out videos, routine videos showing you what I'm doing in order to make money for free. And you can do the exact same thing. You know what I'm saying? Just follow my steps, follow my tutorials. It's working. You know, people have let me know that, you know, stuff that I'm teaching them is actually working for them, and they're cashing out, you know, all of the time with all these different sites that I'm bringing you. So definitely subscribe to my channel, and, you know, you can really put a lot more money into your bank account. Just that simple. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna catch y'all on another video. And remember, every penny counts.